I've been using the Honest Tooth for about 6 months now. I have always used traditional, typical toothpaste brands that you can just get at Walmart. I never really noticed a need to switch from over there, but now that I have used the Honest Tooth, I am not planning on going back. My teeth are so smooth and clean that my toothbrush actually squeaks across them. So if you want to talk about squeaky clean, this is the way to go. There are definitely times when I run out of the Honest Tooth and I have to use my regular toothpaste, and I wake up with a film in my mouth, which I never really noticed before. But my dentist has been extremely impressed with what he's seen with my teeth. My sensitivity in my mouth has definitely gone down, and I highly recommend the powder to anyone.